We're at the Agnew mine site for Goldfields. We're located 30 kilometres outside of Leinster. Agnew mine site houses two of our underground mines, which is Wollonga, where we are today, and New Holland. So we're all about innovation and technology. It's one of our key values. The ventilation upgrade was required for our 2020 mine plan to keep going in the future.
Changing out your primary ventilation infrastructure is quite disruptive, and as a site we couldn't afford to have the operation down for extended periods of time. We approached the market and asked the problem that we had, and the solution that came back from Minetek was the high output axial fan.
The benefit of these to the customer, other than the modular design for installation time, is the higher pressure that we're able to achieve for the similar size fan. Minetek offer a total package end-to-end, so we offer the after-sales service also.
The Minetek project team that worked here at Agnew Wollonga, they adapted to our needs.
When there was an issue, it was brought to our attention, it came with a plan to fix it, and it was fixed.
Included in the scope that Minetek provided to us was the full removal of the existing underground fans and then installation of the new high output axial fans.
The challenges faced with this project was the transportation underground of the already made fans, as it's never been done before.
Coming up with a new method of installation to achieve the shortest possible installation time. We targeted a 4-day window and we achieved it in 3.5 days.
We're able to continue operations with a minimum disruption through that change-out.
The installation here and the running of the fans has been a great success, and we've implemented it into our Granny Smith mine as well.
The whole process was pretty easy. There was a common sense approach from Minetek.
Minetek gave us that optionality to be able to run at current speeds and then also expand later on to allow the operation to grow.